Hello, this is teacher Daniot. Today again we're going to learn 50 important phrases. Lesson 3. Please listen and repeat after me. Let's get started.
Bagay yo vin pi mal.
Things get worse. Things get worse.
Eske ou gen menaj?
Do you have girlfriend? Do you have boyfriend?
Li reme fom gro dada.
He loves big buttocks women. He loves big buttocks women.
M'gon bagay pou m'di yo.
I have something to tell you. I have something to tell you.
Yo gen yon ide.
They have an idea. They have an idea.
Rakonte m'histoire non.
Tell me the story then. Tell me the story then.
Nou te chita face à face.
We sat down face to face. We sat down face to face.
Depi ki le ou kon mamzel?
How long have you known her? How long have you known her?
Liv sa yo se pou mwen.
Those books are mine. Those books are mine.
Nou te presse.
We were in a hurry. We were in a hurry.
A la chelbe ou chelbe papa?
You look really good. You look really good.
Eske ou gen gou?
Are you hungry? Are you hungry?
Ou gen gwo vant?
You have big belly. You have big belly.
A la fréquent ou fréquent?
How cocky you are. How cocky you are.
Pa man yon menaj mwen.
Don't touch my girlfriend. Don't touch my boyfriend. Don't touch my girlfriend. Don't touch my boyfriend.
Gade gwo se piye ou?
Look at the size of your feet. Look at the size of your feet.
Si ou am konta kon sa, se grâce bon Dieu.
If you see me happy like that, it's God's grace. If you see me happy like that, it's God's grace.
Jel chire tan kou chinois.
Her eyes are slanted like the Chinese. Her eyes are slanted like the Chinese.
Mwen jen toujou.
I'm still young. I'm still young.
Mwen pat jam kompran.
I did never understand. I did never understand.
Misye tro jalou.
He is too jealous. He is too jealous.
Eske ti moun yo pa reme chokola?
Don't the children like chocolate? Don't the children like chocolate?
La prepase rad li.
She is ironing her clothes. She is ironing her clothes.
Ou bel an pil le ou souri.
You are so beautiful when you smile. You are so beautiful when you smile.
Pa plen, s'il vous plaît.
Don't complain, please. Don't complain, please.
Gade m nan je.
Look at me in my eyes. Look at me in my eyes.
An pil moun di garçon pa sou ses os.
Many people say men don't suck bone. Many people say men don't suck bone.
Ti fi sa saj tan kou papal.
This girl is wise like her father. This girl is wise like her father.
Se sel bon Dieu ki ka di an mot.
Only God can say something. Only God can say something.
Koute m tan pri.
Listen to me, please. Listen to me, please.
Si m pa we ou, mwen amande pou ou?
If I don't see you, I will ask for you. If I don't see you, I will ask for you.
Bon m ti dlo tan pri.
Give me some water, please. Give me some water, please.
Ou gen l'ajan?
Do you have money? Do you have money?
Ou ki so rayim nan?
Why do you hate me? Why do you hate me?
Ou se yon kopyador?
You are a copycat. You are a copycat.
Sa wap manje jodi ya?
What are you eating today? What are you eating today?
Je m feme, menm pa avek.
My eyes are closed, but I'm not blind. My eyes are closed, but I'm not blind.
Sispon pale sou dom.
Stop backbiting me. Stop backbiting me.
Desan la.
Get down from here. Get down from here.
Yo fache koukong.
They are really angry. They are really angry.
Sak pase la.
What happens here? What happens here?
Chen anja pe vwazin nan.
The dog barks the neighbor. The dog barks the neighbor.
Maman la brose dan l.
His mother is brushing his teeth. His mother is brushing his teeth.
La pli pa tombe semen sa.
It doesn't rain this week. It doesn't rain this week.
Chat pran lang majori.
Cat gets Marjorie's tongue. Cat gets Marjorie's tongue.
Mwen te sonje ou an pil.
I missed you a lot. I missed you a lot.
Bonne chance.
Good luck. Good luck.
Est-ce que vous changez?
Do you remember? Do you remember?
Levez main.
Raise your hand. Raise your hand.
Ou pren nouvelle maman?
Do you hear from your mother? Do you hear from your mother?
Qui t'aime suivre plutôt?
Let me follow instead. Let me follow instead. If you repeat all the sentences, congratulations. Please subscribe, like, and share to all your friends. My name is Daniot. I love you so much. Catch me in a better video. Bye for now.